These days, so many more people work flexible work hours, Tuesday and Thursday or Monday to Thursday. If you work the traditional Monday to Friday hours, you don't always remember that someone you are liaising with might not be working similar hours. One of the easiest things that you can do is utilize your email signature to detail your working hours. It lets those receiving your email know that you aren't in every day. You can leverage your email signature for so many things to provide a short link to details of a new product that your organization is launching or a new resource or simply to an organization's website. I've even used it to advise clients in advance that I'm heading overseas, though not right now, to attend a conference and that my responses may be slower than usual. Maybe it's a time to make life easier for you and others. As you would set up your week, think about your email signature. Is there anything you could put in there that would make life easier for you or for your contacts? Hoping this gets you thinking.